Hi there! Welcome to today's lesson. Our lesson for the day is Data Presentation. And this lesson is the second part of a two-part lesson to learn about data presentation. By the end of the lesson, you should be able to 1. Construct pie charts from a given data set, and 2. Interpret and use pie chart for data presentation. As we have already learned from the first part of our lesson, data presentation is the specified visual representation of data through tables, diagrams, graphs, and texts. Remember, we also learned about methods of data presentation, where we learned about the frequency table, how to construct it, and how to interpret data presented on it. Now, remember that a frequency table is a tabular way of data presentation. From our definition of data presentation, we did mention data may also be presented using diagrams and charts. One, and perhaps the most interesting way of data presentation using diagrams and charts is through the use of what we call pie chart. As the name suggests, pie chart looks like a pizza, and not just like a pizza, a pie chart is also divided into sectors representing individual data values. The pie chart is a diagrammatic representation of data in a whole circle, with each sector in the circle representing an element of the collected data, just like a pizza. Note that the total value of a pie chart is always 100%, and each sector in the circle shows a fraction of the total percentage. Wouldn't you love to learn how to construct a pie chart as you learn how to construct a frequency table? Well, I'm here to teach you just that. Remember that your knowledge of frequency tables would come in handy in constructing pie charts, as pie charts are usually constructed like a frequency table. Let's look at this example of fruits preference of students in JSS 1B and see if we can construct a pie chart. To accurately construct a pie chart, first of all, remember that you would need a pencil as well as a mathematical set compass and protractor. Secondly, since a full circle mathematically equates 360 degrees, we have to calculate the degree value of each data sector using the formula value of the component over total value multiplied by 360 degrees. In applying this formula, for our example, we would need to convert the frequency of each fruit into degrees. For oranges, we would calculate 8 divided by 30 multiplied by 360, which equals 95.9 degrees, approximately 96 degrees. For bananas, 15 divided by 30 multiplied by 360, which equals 180 degrees. And for the pineapples, we would calculate 7 divided by 30 multiplied by 360, which equates 83.9 degrees, which is approximately 84 degrees. Having gotten the degree values of all the fruits, we then construct our pie charts using our pencil, mathematical compass, and protractor. The first step is to draw a circle using a pencil and a compass. Now the second step is to draw a straight line through the circle's center point. You can easily locate the circle's center point by looking for the hole left by the pointed edge of your compass. Next, having divided the circle into 2 equal parts, which is 180 degrees each, we then use a protractor to mark out 96 degrees and draw a sector from the circumference of the circle to its center. We then label it orange and write 96 degrees on it. Next, we use a protractor to mark out 180 degrees and draw a sector from the circumference of our circle to its center. We then label it banana and write 180 degrees in it. Finally, we then use the protractor to mark out 84 degrees and draw a sector from the circumference of our circle to its center. We then label it pineapples and write 84 degrees in it. There, our pie chart is ready! Isn't it amazing how well it represents our data? We would even color each sector to make it really fun and easy to interpret. Doesn't it look like a pizza? Now, from the pie chart, we can easily interpret the information that most of the students in JSS 1B prefer bananas as it has the largest sector on our pie chart. We can also deduce that the least preferred fruit in JSS 1B is pineapples, which has the smallest sector on our pie chart. Fun, isn't it? With that, we've come to the end of our lesson series on data presentation, the first part of which we learnt about data presentation using frequency tables, and this just concluded part in which we learnt about data presentation using pie charts. See you in the next lesson.